Hey y'all, so I'm moving into a new apartment in 2 weeks, so I just kind of wanted to give you guys a video to show you like the do's and don'ts, the tips and tricks, things that I've learned so far, even though I haven't even moved in yet. So yeah, just to give you guys a little bit of context, we found out that I had to get an apartment because my college is closed, but the nursing program at our college said you have to come back. They said they're not opening campus, so we had to find our own housing. It was a mess. So we found out on Tuesday, and then by Thursday we basically had put our money down, we put in our application, everything, and then we had the apartment. It was really hectic because so it's gonna be 3 of us, me and 2 roommates, so we had to find something that all of us liked, all of us felt safe at. They're out of state, so I was the only one to go like actually look at the apartment. So yeah, we have a 3-bedroom, it's a townhouse, so we won't have anybody on top or below, which is good because we're going to be doing a lot of studying, a lot of classes are still online, although we will be doing our clinicals in the hospital, so we're still going to be at home a lot. First things first, the one thing that I have used from the beginning and I'm still using right now is a new apartment checklist. So this is the one I used. Obviously you can't read it from there, but I'll probably put the link in the bio or something. But there are so many to choose from. There's like minimalistic ones, there's some more involved ones, there's a couple like if you're just moving like, you know, on a on-campus apartment, you know, so not outside the campus. But this one, I picked this one. It's really long, there's a lot of stuff on it, but that's just how I live. I'm not a minimalistic liver. I have a lot of stuff. So I used this from the beginning. The first thing I did, I printed it off. I don't know why I froze. The first thing I did, I printed it off. Then I went through and checked off all the things that I knew that I personally had, or that I knew we had extra of in my house that I could take with me. So since my school was holding our dorm stuff captive, we went and got that, and it was in the garage, and I used this list when I was going through those things, just kind of cleaning it out and checking off what I had, what I might need to get more of, things like that. So say like bath mat, shower curtain, I had those already because I was using them in my dorm. Soap, shampoo, shower caddy, I had some of that stuff too. So I just went through and checked off all the things that I had. That was the first step. Okay, here I'm showing you how I keep everything organized in my garage. I labeled the bins like kitchen and laundry and then bathroom, just so as I'm collecting things as the time goes by, I can easily add it into a bin and I don't have to search through all of them. The next thing I did was go through and see what I didn't need more of, if that makes sense. Like what you only need one of for a house. So for example, there's 3 of us, like an iron and ironing board, we're only gonna need 1. We wear scrubs, you don't iron scrubs, like we only need 1 per house. So I would mark off if I had that, or if that was something that I need to ask my roommates if they had, and that was really easy. So one of my roommates had an iron, I have an ironing board, one has a vacuum. Like you don't need more than 1 of those per house, really. Okay, so as I said, I asked my roommates what kind of things that they had, just because we might not need to buy more than 1, which kind of segues into my new point of communicating with your roommates. So there's some, like, you don't realize when you live with your family because you've been living with them for so long, but everyone has a different like living space. You learn that when you're in college. But you know, we talked about like the temperature. We agreed to have it on 72. We all like 72. That was a good thing. We're gonna get a board to rotate cleaning schedules. We had to communicate with each other to set up like the internet, the energy, and the water, I think it was. So we each set up an account, and we had to decide how everything was gonna get paid. So for the rent and for the bills, it's split 3 ways. Just, we're gonna do it that way because some of the bills fluctuate. Like internet would stay the same, but like water and energy kind of fluctuate, so it's kind of unfair to make somebody pay one bill and somebody pay the other bill, and it might go up or down, and that might be out of their budget. So we're just gonna split everything 3 ways. Everyone is added to each account. So although I set up the energy account, my 2 roommates are on the account, so they can go online and pay their part. So everyone pays their parts separately. It's good. We're all really excited. So we've all kind of not splurged, but we've all kind of, you know, found our own things to bring. So like, I'm gonna bring the Keurig just because I know me and my one friend like coffee, the other one doesn't. We'll get her hooked, it's fine. But so my other friend is bringing the TV for the living room. We're just kind of like finding little things to bring just so we can all input to the living space. I think it's gonna be really nice. In conclusion, I just want to make this short little video just to show you guys kind of my starting out process and how everything's gonna go. I'm gonna make no promises, but I'm gonna try to make a haul video, and then I'm gonna try to make a video showing like how I DIY some of the furniture that's been given to me. So that will be coming up. Bye. Okay, I never know how to end these videos.